Hi friends, welcome to DIY Crafty Sewing channel. Today we are going to make one of the beautiful flower. For that I am taking the 1 inch ribbon. In other words, width of the ribbon is 2.5 centimeters and length 38.5 centimeters, in which 0.5 centimeters will be consumed while joining the edges of the ribbon. As shown here, join the two edges by giving heat touch up and by holding with the tweezer. We are seeing both ends are joined. Now with the pencil, give a mark of 2.5 centimeters on entire ribbon as shown here. Form the pleats based on the marking as we shown in the video and secure that pleats by giving sewing. Repeat this process until all pleats are completed. This flower looks like cute and different. You can use this flower in any hair accessories, baby frocks, dresses, etc. It will look beautiful. After completion of sewing, pull the thread as shown here and give secure knot and remove the extra thread. Now join the top side pleat corners with the help of sewing. After completion of joining all the corners, pull the thread and give secure knot and trim out the extra thread. If you like our video, please like it. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe for more upcoming videos and share this video to your friends, those who are interested in crafts. After completion of stitching, adjust the petal for better look. Beautiful flower is ready. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.